First international trip!
Sunrise bleeding through the glass. Got the gas tank full. We're moving fast. Leaving all the ghosts in our hometown.
Hi guys, good morning. So today is a Saturday, November 29, and it's currently 10:35 a.m. Just waiting for team to arrive here sa house. Sabay kami pupunta ng airport. And yeah, because mag-share din kami ng luggage, so kailangan magkasabay kami. And then, I'm just eating breakfast right here. And you guys, this is my first time using DJI camera. So, this is my outfit for today. I'm gonna show you guys later kapag nasa may, airport, I guess. So, yeah. I'll talk to you guys later. Ay, kami pa pizza. First international trip!
Lang ako matulog sa aeroplano. Oh, yung mata mo parang papikit na eh. Ikaw?
Lobat na siya.
Sabi ni Vic, baka pag nagaganda siya, lilipat na daw siya.
Please ask the cabin crew to reseat you. Sa mga panauhin nakaupo sa exit rows, basahin ang
We're now boarding. Boarding? Not yet, sorry. So we're off to Hong Kong.
Hello everyone, as you settle in for your flight, we kindly remind everyone to help keep the cabin a safe and respectful space for all. To
Yes.
protect the private
Cute.
Walking down these silent roads where the past and present flows. Every step a memory, lost in time's eternity. Silent roads and empty skies, underneath the moon's soft light, searching for a piece of me in the whispers of the breeze. These are falling seasons.
Bilisan mo.
We arrived sa hotel.
Lungkot. Wala na energy kasi sleeping time na ng mga trantahin eh.
Kayo mo. It's already 11 p.m. and I'm just gonna buy some food. We're here.
Meron pala saksakan dito. Ano? Ano, kumusta?
Okay lang.
Dugkit naman ako.
11 hall. Diyan na nasa CR.
Kalat dim sum. Na kaming dalawa lang kakain. Ready?
Hi guys. So we're currently at Milk Cafe and we're struggling. So much struggle. So this is the ano nakalagay? This is where we're eating Milk Cafe. Looks appetizing pero tingnan natin later. Go-order sa amin. Siya yung nahihirapan lalo. Sorry, walang Chinese sa group. Na-order mo na? Okay.
Tinidor na lang yung kanya.
We're gonna eat. It's for my appetite only. Spoon. Or knife. Oo.
小心列车与月台推阿斯曼河。
Can we sit down for a while?
Hi guys, welcome to Elsa. Let's look for Elsa. Ang liwanag ah.
I know you.
Si Ana. Meron.
May ganito din sa Pilipinas.
Ano meron dito? Ano meron?
Lugi mo ka nga. Lugi tayo ka.
Eh, sino yan? Sino yun?
Ano?
Sino yun? Yun, silo.
Ano?
Wow! Eh, bakit nandito yung Blackpink? Di ba kakaalis nila? So right now,
We're gonna find Elsa.
ano yung momentos?
欢迎你们回来，请继续坐好，直至船只安稳的靠岸。记得带走你们的随身物。
So how was the ride? Ang saya mo.
Yeah. Disneyland.
Hindi na lang meron ako. Pwede naman yun, no? Pwede naman siguro yun yung kunwari piyate.
May pagkaanghang siya pero tasty. Hey, I will do my best to vlog today since it's our last day. We just finished eating.
Where?
Here. It's so this is where check-in music video of 17 was made. It was filmed.
A tourist.
At least may park. Wala talaga kami sa Hong Kong. Nasa Baguio City! Wah!
Dali mo na!
Sige.
Hi guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa English dapat. Hi guys, so we are currently here Avenue of Stars. Actually, inikot lang naman namin yung buong Hong Kong. Hindi, promise, like from North Point, that's where we're staying. It was like a residential area in Hong Kong where most locals live. So if you wanna see or hindi ka kita sa frame. Then from there we went to Diamond Hills in Kowloon to visit to check out some spots where areas that are not usually on most tourist lists because it's a bit far, like half an hour travel, but we went there anyway. Harbor, you can see Harbor. And
We just finished taking pictures, selfie. So we're now going to the ferry. I'm so excited. Oh God. I'm so happy.
Hi guys. So nakat yung spill ko kanina kasi gusto niyo magpa-picture eh.
Sorry. Naka-plastic na tawa.
Yung rinig na rinig ka dito sa... Ano yan, Mao?
Keep the change.
Para sa coins ni dito.
Ah, sige, kunin ko.
Dito naisip ka namin ah. Basta tingin mo masarap. Wow! Got the goods.
Got the goods. I-deliver natin sa meron. Ako din. Ako, magkano 30 na? 300. Isa ako. Yan na naman sila, oh.
I mean, boarding gate sa Hong Kong, going to Manila na kasi kami.
She's writing her postcard.
Sobrang daming nangyari. And yung mga few days parang paa pa lang, heel pa lang yung sakit, nagpapaang, like, nasa balakang na. Tapos may ikot na ako tomorrow.
Sipag mo naman kasi eh.
Talaga, masipag talaga ako.
Kasi yung excess bite.
Exercise lagi namin kailangan tayo.
Oo, parang mahirap.
Alam mo na ngayon agad. So kung next time man, bigla akong magsulo na lang, like next flight ko. Sobrang dami nangyari yung nails ko na buki.
Nagkanda ano-ano ang mga bagay-bagay.
Yung nails ko,
Dugo-dugo.
sabi ko pa naman sinasabi, tanggalin mo na pala.